Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ridenexus and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today, we are looking at a legend reborn. This isn't just any Toyota Land Cruiser. It's a custom-built V8 wide-body monster designed to dominate both the dunes and the streets. The first thing you notice is the aggressive stance. Look at those massive flared wheel arches and the ultra-wide off-road tires. The signature L-shaped LED taillights and quad exhaust tips give it a modern, sporty look that screams power. Under the hood, the legendary V8 engine provides the soul of this machine. Known for bulletproof reliability and immense torque, this setup is paired with custom deep-dish alloys, making it ready for any terrain you throw at it. While the exterior is rugged, the Land Cruiser legacy is all about luxury. This specific build combines a blacked-out stealth aesthetic with the presence of a king. It's the ultimate status symbol for those who value strength and sophistication. From the quad exhaust to the iconic Toyota badge, this Land Cruiser V8 is a masterpiece of automotive engineering. Would you take this to the desert or the city? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.